නමෝ තස්ස භගවතෝ අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස්ස භගවතෝ අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස්ස භගවතෝ අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නහි වේරේන වේරානි සම්මන්තිද කුදාචනම් අවේරේන ච සම්මන්ති ඒස ධම්මෝ සනන්තනෝති. My dear Dhamma friends, in this world, hatred never ceases by hatred. It ceases by loving kindness alone. This is an eternal law. That is what the Buddha taught. Anger is a negative emotion. We all know that. But we do not train or discipline our mind against anger. You know, we have to do it because everyone gets angry at any level. We cannot stay without our mind getting angry. Can you stay? No, you can't. Sometimes maybe you are quite right, but you get angry not because of your fault, but because of somebody else. All the time, everything doesn't happen as we wish. Things happen though we like them or not. Certain things are inevitable. We cannot avoid happening them to us. As long as we live in a society or in a community, we do have to interact with people. When interacting, everyone expects to happen what they want. But how can it happen? How can something happen as everybody wishes? How can something happen as everybody wishes? That's what we have to understand. If we do something with a great effort, it may happen as we wish, but it may hurt another because it destroys the wish of another. Then that person may try to take revenge on us. If we too try to retaliate, the grudge will go on, harming both. We must not go for taking revenge because, as the verse depicts, hatred cannot be annihilated by hatred. Hatred can be ceased or annihilated only by loving kindness. You have to understand that. You know that darkness cannot be dispelled by darkness. Darkness can only be dispelled by light. Love is light. Wow. Light is humanity. We have to illuminate and light up our life with the light of humanity. If you have some grudge on anyone, try to do away with that. You will feel very relaxed and eased that you put away a heavy thing from your head. Hatred or grudge does nothing other than making you stuck in a mess. If you really want peace of mind, you do have to release your mind from hatred. Irritated mind cannot make you happy. Irritated mind cannot make you happy. If you are not happy, you cannot perform things correctly. I hope you would try to remove negative emotions away from mind. May you have a happy and peaceful day. May you be blessed with metta and loving kindness.